The future of luxury. 2025 Mercedes-Benz. Luxury, innovation, and performance. These three pillars define the legacy of Mercedes-Benz. In 2025, the brand takes a bold leap into the future, unveiling a lineup of vehicles that reimagine what it means to drive. From cutting-edge design to state-of-the-art technology, Mercedes-Benz continues to set the standard in the automotive world. At the forefront of this evolution is the all-new Mercedes-AMG CLE 53. This sleek coupe seamlessly merges timeless elegance with modern engineering. Its aerodynamic silhouette, signature Panamericana grille, and muscular stance command attention, while under the hood, a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with a 48V mild hybrid system delivers 443 horsepower. With an overboost function for extra power, the CLE 53 rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds, making every drive exhilarating. Inside, the dual-display MBUX system, AMG performance steering wheel, and luxurious materials create an immersive driving experience. For those who seek the pinnacle of luxury, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL is an unmatched masterpiece. This open-top roadster combines the thrill of driving with the opulence of the Maybach name. Available in bespoke two-tone finishes, including red ambiance and white ambiance, the Maybach SL's exterior exudes sophistication. Inside, handcrafted Napa leather, rose gold accents, and ambient lighting create a serene atmosphere. Its advanced sound insulation ensures tranquility even at high speeds, while its powerful V8 biturbo engine delivers exhilarating performance. Mercedes-Benz also steps boldly into the future of sustainability with the 2025 EQS. This all-electric sedan redefines eco-luxury, offering a range of over 800 kilometers on a single charge. Its redesigned front end, reminiscent of the classic S-Class, pairs elegance with innovation. Inside, the hyperscreen technology, advanced comfort features, and cutting-edge driver aids ensure an unparalleled driving experience. With rapid charging capabilities that provide 80% charge in just 15 minutes, the EQS seamlessly blends convenience with environmental consciousness. The adventure continues with the 2025 G-Class, a legendary icon now embracing electrification with the G580. Retaining its rugged charm and off-road prowess, the G580 features an electric powertrain delivering over 500 kilometers of range. Whether conquering mountains or navigating urban terrain, the G-Class remains a symbol of durability and luxury. Equipped with intelligent 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, it offers unmatched performance on any surface while staying true to its roots. For those seeking a compact yet luxurious option, the 2025 CLA-EV delivers. This sleek sedan combines striking design with groundbreaking electric technology, offering nearly 800 kilometers of range. Its bold lines, frameless doors, and aerodynamic profile make a statement, while its minimalist yet advanced interior showcases Mercedes-Benz's hallmark craftsmanship. The CLA-EV is perfect for city dwellers and long-distance travelers alike, proving that compact can be both powerful and sophisticated. The 2025 EQE SUV elevates comfort and innovation, offering customizable ambient lighting, advanced noise insulation, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system. Designed for serenity and convenience, the EQE SUV also features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing drivers to relax and enjoy the journey. Whether navigating busy streets or embarking on long drives, this SUV provides a seamless blend of luxury and practicality. In 2025, Mercedes-Benz isn't just creating vehicles, it's crafting experiences. From the performance-driven AMG models to the serene electric offerings, every vehicle is a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of excellence. Whether you're seeking luxury, sustainability, or innovation, Mercedes-Benz invites you to experience the future of driving.